Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Motor Beast. Please subscribe to my channel, follow me on Instagram, link in the description.
As you can get from the thumbnail, this is going to be a Fiat Punto grey color, and it's an old model, old generation, but diesel engine. Here you can see now engine is dusty, sorry for that. And this is a diesel engine and installation, no hydraulic struts, and here is a battery placement. But here you can see it's an older headlight but very unique design. Punto design is always bold design, and it's a grey color. I like the color on this vehicle. Fiat badge here, and here you can see the tiger grill. It's not a tiger grill exactly, but it's a design like tiger, and number plate placement. And down here you can see the bumper, huge bumper, and here you can see in detail the tuning hook. Now it's a sunny day, so brighter, sorry for that. And fog lamps are very lower side at the front bumper, and here you can see fog lamp position very down, and very nice design, cross cuttings on the fog lamps. So indicators are bulbs, no LEDs projected, headlight setup on this, so only bulbs. So these are the tires, Bridgestone tires, and Fiat badge on, no alloy wheels. Profile of the tire is 175/70, 14 inches tires. These are 14 inches tires, and you can see the indicator position outside. It's an older generation model, and here you can see the glass, some small glass, and side view mirrors are nice design. And now in this generation Baleno is getting the same design, side view mirrors, sorry. And these are the handles, very nice unique design. Shut down sound is very loud, and I like the design door handles. And here you can see the door handles. This is a diesel variant, no side designs, anything, bold and plain design. And here you can see the tail lights, so very nice, and it is exactly on the C pillar of tail light and wiper. So Fiat badge again on the center. Punto, I like the design way, the way of Punto and written. So emotion, it's an emotion car obviously. So boot is very heavy, very heavy. No hydraulic struts are working on this now present. And here you can see the boot size, very nice boots. And so I can't show now the spare wheel, and light placement there in the boot, and hooks somehow. So belt to tie, very nice, very heavy. And shed sound to the rear. Now I'm getting into the rear seat, no scooped out seats, and under the support is very nice, no lacking at all. And headroom is also massive enough for 5.8 my height is. And here you can see the door handles. So I like the way the design on the door handles, nice catching and nice grip on the hole. So it's a plastic treatment on the door opening. And here you can see the power switch. So these are the speakers, four speakers on the 4 doors. So speaker, tweeter. So nice gray and black finishing, I like the design. 3 people can easily comfortable sit, so no issue at all. And there you can see some space. So this is a interior of rear seat. So here you can see this is a splitted seat, 40-60 split seats. So if you fold the rear seat, boot size will automatically increase. And adjustable headrest, nice treatment, and it's an older generation but all the features are fixed like new. And seat belt placement and headrest, only 2 headrests but they are adjustable, nice treatment. And the resin and the cushion is very nice on this car. And here you can see the matting, very nice, and magazine holders. So let's go to front and see. Door sound is very large here. So now I'm in the front. So let's close the door. So here you can see the power window buttons, and side view mirrors adjustable. And here you can see the door handle, and I like the door handles treatment, very nice and unique design. Side view mirror is large enough. So this is the interior. This is a diesel engine and very loud sound. I will shut down now for some time, sorry for that. And I like the dashboard treatment, very nice. Coming to here, there is no center armrest at the front. And here you can see the cup holder and handbrake, so some space to keep the stuff. And here you can see the gear lever. It's a 5-speed manual transmission diesel engine and 1 reverse gear. And here you can see the very nice cigarette lighter. So this is a cigarette lighter, now it's working. So let's keep there. And at the front here you can see the twin cup holders and 1 cup to ashtray. And here you can see the ashtray, very nice, and coin holders, very nice. So this is no auto climate control, it's older generation as if I said, and manual AC control, and here you can see there is no display at all. But it's a basic radio display, so it's massive enough, and hazard light switch here. So for AC vents, here you can see there are 2 AC vents, and again to keep some stuff, coin holder. There you can see AC vents, and again here you can see the AC vents. Yeah, so this is the steering of Fiat Punto, very nice treatment, and horn is very loud. And here you can see the wiper lever, and here this side you can see the lights and indicator switch. So yeah, so coming to the instrument cluster, let's see on the car. This is the instrument cluster, completely very nice treatment, sporty treatment on the instrument cluster. Here you can see the speedometer, here you can see the RPM meter, here you can see the fuel gauge, here you can see the fuel gauge, and this is engine heat up and cool, and small digital meter on the instrument cluster, Sunday, date, time, odometer, trip A, trip B, everything has came into this, and very nice, unique, and lot of information with the manual adjustables only. Here you can see lot of switches, buttons showing the about engine heat up, handbrake, etc. So everything, light brightness, indicator switch, everything is in the manual only, no digital meter at all, and there is no auto dimming inside. So it's a small variant car, offer on the mirror other side, there is no mirror on this, but to keep to receipts. So here you can see the holder, and seats are very comfortable, very large, and cushion is very nice. See the seats size, very nice, and it's in the gray and black finish of interior. So here you can see the glove box, it's a small size, and another glove box is down, so it's a massive enough to keep the documents of vehicle. Very nice.
Sir, there I am ready to pay
50,000 sir only.
but you should wear sari for sure on that time.
సార్ నేను ఫిట్నెస్ ట్రైనర్ కాదు సార్, నేను జిమ్కి వెళ్తాను అంతే. ఎందుకు నాకు పొద్దున్నే
Speakers are working brilliant now also in 2020. This is 11 years old car, and lot much of features, so it's a manual car. And coming to the other side, here you can see the brightness of instrument cluster, plus and minus, and here you can see the high beam and low beam switch here. So these are the 4 switches for the front headlight switch and menu. So here you can see switch of instrument cluster. Wait a second. Yeah, menu, stress, these are the buttons for instrument cluster, and here is the position for the instrument cluster buttons. Very nice. And this is a fuse box switch, broken. And overall this is the interior, very nice, and black and gray finish is very nice. Already car is in the gray color, and also interior also in the gray and black finishing, and very nice treatment. And this is 2009 vehicle, so diesel engine. So this is nothing much to say over the interior, and this is a walk around video of Fiat Punto, sorry. And if you till not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, press the bell icon, follow me on Instagram, link in the description. Thank you so much for watching. Catch you in the next video. Bye bye.